Quick heads up, click the link in the description for a special offer. What if you told your car insurance what to pay, instead of the other way around? Meet Progressive's Name Your Price tool. That's literally what Progressive's Name Your Price tool lets you do. And before we dive in, click the link in the description. There's a special offer waiting for you down there. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how this tool works, step by step, and how much you could actually save. Okay, here's how it works. And it's simpler than you'd think. Instead of filling out a form and just hoping the price that comes back fits your budget, you flip the whole thing around. You start by telling Progressive how much you want to pay per month. That's your starting point. From there, the tool shows you the best coverage options that actually fit that price range, and you're not locked into anything. You can browse, compare, and adjust your coverages before you buy. If the lowest price option doesn't include everything you want, no stress. You just dial it up until it feels right for you. Now here's where it gets really interesting. If you sign up for Progressive's Snapshot program, which tracks your driving habits to personalize your rate, customers save an average of $322 a year. Bundle your home and auto together. New customers are saving over $1,000 on average, and auto customers typically qualify for around 7 different discounts. 7. One thing worth knowing, the Name Your Price tool is not a competitor price matching service. It won't automatically beat a quote you got somewhere else. What it does is help you build a policy that starts with what you can actually afford and works up from there, which, honestly, is a smarter way to shop for insurance. The tool is completely free to use online. No commitment, no pressure. You just go in, enter your budget, see what comes up, and adjust until it feels right. Ready to try it? Hit the link in the description to grab your special offer and see how much you can save.